gonna start by adjusting your middle back here. Get your T5, T6. Take a little breath. Put it out. Perfect. All right, I'm on your side facing me. A little closer to the edge. Beautiful. Under and over. Roll you towards me. This will help the hip. Relax. Breath in. One more time. And out. Got it. See, you can do it. There you go. Fantastic. Lying on your back. Actually, come sit in this chair here for me. Perfect. All right, just a little adjustment here in your neck. Come on back. Easy to adjust with your braids. I'm going to push like that, okay? Good. That's good stuff. One more little one. Nice. That was good stuff, Amy.
Thank you.
Powers on.
Whew.